Let's give a quick demonstration of the open source free QGIS platform. What you see here is a map of the town of Arlington with the precincts delineated. Show on the side the different layers that we're looking at. From Arlington we get the voter precincts and the roads, the names of the roads. We have Google satellite imagery as one of the layers. We have the structures from Massachusetts GIS, as well as the tax parcels. And the parcel changes and land uses changes, which is what we'll focus on today, are actually something that we created here. So if I zoom in, the precinct view goes away, and I get all the tax parcels for the town. You can have it so that the parcels I have a number of different years. I'm showing you the latest one from 2024. However, I could just easily show 2018's parcel map. This is hard to distinguish between the differences in the two. That's why we used also parcel changes. Parcel changes also, all these different years. So these would be parcels that would change in terms of, well, split in two. So let's take a quick example of one. We go over here. Currently, these two parcels are separate. That happened in 2021. And as of 2024, it's like this. But if I look at the 2020 tax parcels, and I get rid of that, you can see that it was one that was split in half. The same thing is true up here for these two. That seems to have been done in 2020. And if I looked at the 2019 parcel designations, I can see the split. Sort of an interesting one is near the center of town, where in 2021, these condominiums, there had been a complex, and then it changed in 2021 to separate lots for each one. Another interesting thing to look at beyond the changes in the parcels is in if the parcel itself didn't change, so there's no physical change to the layout, but there was a change in the land use. And so if I look at land use changes, and I look, say, in 2019, 2020, 2021, and so on, you can see all the different changes that have occurred in the use of the land. If I zoom in and I put on parcels, I can see that the change here was a condo conversion. It went from a two-family in 2022 to a two condos, number 120 and number 122 here. And that's what you see throughout East Arlington. As we know now, most of the development in Arlington are condo conversions. And you can see the impact that it's had in East Arlington, less so in other sections of the town. And that's it.